I had no idea how much a floor lamp could change the feel of a room until I got this one. This RGB floor lamp is fully adjustable, so I'm so glad the brand sent this out to me. Today I'm going to show you everything that came in the box, how easy it was to assemble, and whether or not all these lighting features are actually worth it. So let's skip back to when this was still in a box. So inside the box, we're going to get the user manual and hand tool, the top and bottom round frame for the actual lamp shade, the magnetic remote. I'm really excited to see how this works, but it should magnetize to the actual base. Here's our lamp shade, and then here's the actual lamp with that integrated bulb right there, but it comes in a bunch of folded pieces. So we'll be putting this together in just a second. And then last but not least, here is the actual base. And this thing is heavy. This has some weight to it. That is everything that came in the box, so let's go ahead and get started on putting this together. Assembly is super straightforward. You simply connect those sections of the pole to the base all the way up, and then you're just gonna clip in the lampshade into those round frame pieces and secure it with that Velcro around the edge. Unscrew the nut right above the light bulb, take that down, put the lampshade up, and then screw it back into place. It's really just that easy. One thing I love about this is the pole is adjustable, so you can customize how high you want this depending on where you're using it. The lamp head is also flexible, making it easy to direct the light exactly where you need it. And if your hands are full, just simply use this foot press button to turn the lamp on and off. And I know you saw this earlier, it was not magic. The remote can actually connect to the magnet that's inside the pole. So that way it's always within reach. So now let's go over all the buttons on the remote. So up top we have the power button and the 1 hour timer. And then in the middle where there's that wheel, that's gonna control the CCT, which is just the white color. So we can go up, down in brightness, we can go cooler or warmer. And then these bottom 5 are gonna control the RGB or color functions. So the RGB button in the middle is gonna get it started, and then we can change just the plain color on this color wheel. The circular arrow button is going to turn it on a rotating color option. And then we can also adjust the brightness of the RGB plus or minus. So without even getting up, I can adjust all of the features straight from the remote. I can change the temperature of the light. I can change the color of the light. I can even have it cycle through different colors and still change the brightness. And don't forget about that 1 hour timer if you want to just turn this on and forget about it and have it turn off on its own in an hour. Also, if you turn it off with the remote and turn it back on, it'll remember what you had it on last. For reading, I actually prefer a brighter natural light. For movie nights, I actually like lowering the brightness and switching to RGB mode to create more of a relaxing atmosphere. And then for our formal dining area, I actually prefer a warm, dim light just for some ambiance. Overall, I think this floor lamp combines style with a lot of useful functionality. The adjustable height and the flexible lamp head make it versatile. The remote control is convenient enough that you rarely need to get up. And I really like having both practical white lighting and fun RGB options in one lamp. So if you're looking for a floor lamp that works for reading, working, or just creating a cozy atmosphere, this one is definitely worth considering.